Alcohol was banned in the United States during the Prohibition era, which ran from the 1920s through the 1930s. That didn't stop people from having a wonderful time and drinking in illegal places, of course. Since the Prohibition era, the concept of speakeasies has remained popular, and many establishments have taken inspiration from them. Las Vegas has a plethora of speakeasy bars to choose from. Barbershop cuts and cocktails. Because of this, Barbershop Cut and Cocktail is really just a combination of the two services mentioned earlier. Grooming parlor by day, whiskey lounge by night. Both are located in the same building. The Cosmopolitan's janitor's door at the back of the salon provides entrance to a secret area of the salon. Consider yourself transported back to a more bygone era, with leather couches, old furniture and odd chandeliers. Order a bottle of scotch or something from the cocktail menu for bottle service. There are live bands every night, and they serve spirits, craft beer, and cocktails with a speakeasy vibe. Table snacks like popcorn, veggie sliders, and mini lobster tacos are also available to accompany your drink. Reserving ahead of time is recommended, especially for large groups. Ski Lodge. Spiegel World's geniuses have done it once again. Opium and Atomic Saloon creators have opened a secret bar just off Super Frico, and the atmosphere is extremely laid back, pun intended. With blazing fireplaces and pizza, the Ski Lodge provides all the comforts of a conventional snowy retreat. With an award-winning drinks menu, all of these Arctic delicacies deserve multiple visits. Ghost Donkey. Mezcal is tequila's older cousin who knows where the finest parties are, and both are at Ghost Donkey 7 days a week in the spirit world. Located in the cosmopolitan area of Las Vegas, Ghost Donkey is an exclusive speakeasy serving only tequila-based cocktails. Tequila and mezcal are divided into areas on the menu, making it simple to try them all. Get ready for the true fiesta experience with one of their unique cocktails if you're not a fan of neat alcohol. Beauty and Essex. Similar to the Barbershop, Beauty and Essex's entryway looks like an old-timey speakeasy. To get to the hidden bar behind the custodian's door, enter through the pawn shop. You'll be greeted by an upmarket yet rustic atmosphere. Cocktails in sweet and sour categories are added to the classics on the cocktail menu. Celebrity chef Chris Santos's culinary creations are complemented by a fine wine list that rounds out the menu. 1923 Prohibition Bar at Mandalay Bay. Despite the fact that this is not a classic speakeasy, the name Prohibition and the precise year of Prohibition makes it an honorable mention. Bourbon is served in style at the 1923 Bourbon Bar. The bar's hallmark bourbon vintage is celebrated with barrels lining the walls and a wide range of whiskies on the bar's vast whiskey list. Here Kitty Kitty Vice Den at Resorts World. Speakeasy at the newest hotel on the Strip is also one of the newest. The elegantly grunge bar is entered through an unorthodox storefront. Ordering a bartender's choice is the choose-your-own-adventure experience that just feels appropriate in a location like Here Kitty Kitty, despite the creative cocktail titles on the menu. To find it, cut through Famous Food's Street Eats Food Hall and head into Ms. Meow's Macaque Stand. Push the three cats in the right direction. Reserving a table at Here Kitty Kitty is a must. Mas por favor. There is nothing out of the ordinary about Mas por favor, which appears to be a lively taco shop located in an Asian-themed strip mall. A speakeasy is hidden off to the side of the secret passageway, which has been decorated to look like a drug tunnel with bags of cocaine. The drinks menu is dominated by flavored tequila and mezcal, which were introduced in 2020. On tap, Casamigos margaritas can be paired with house-made jalapeno bitters. Specials like Taco Tuesday, $20 bottomless street tacos, can be enjoyed both at the restaurant and in a secretive speakeasy that's hidden behind a wall. Open from 3 p.m. to midnight, the venue features a wall of skeletons, archways adorned with roses, and magnificent murals. Cocktails can be enjoyed in a lively ambiance on plush couches, high-top tables, and cozy corners. On the record at Park MGM. It's a good thing that On the Record wouldn't have survived during true Prohibition. The double-decker bus has DJs playing live music, but the dance floor and raucous crowd make this a must-see. The vinyl parlor is where the real speakeasy magic happens. A rotating cast of bartenders brings their own unique flair to the table, while other artists are in charge of the turntables in the main room, the Shag Room at Virgin Hotels. This is a place Austin Powers would enjoy. With a discreet entrance, the Shag Room is a pub that has a full schedule of live music and unusual drinking experiences. Adding a dash of sexiness to an already classic bar is the velvet upholstery that comes with this couch. Additionally, this lounge hosts upside-down tea time every Sunday with drunken treats that are absolutely shagadelic. The Laundry Room. Commonwealth, a popular bar in Fremont East, has a laundry room hidden behind the wall under the stairs. The famous El Cortez Casino across the street used to be a laundry facility, so the small, reservation-only area has a real speakeasy vibe. If you don't follow the regulations at this bar, you won't be able to get into it. With only 22 seats, it's a welcome respite from the usual cacophony of Las Vegas nightclubs. Tasseled tablecloth and old decor, as well as the gloomy lighting, instantly transport you to another time and place. There are no other food options available at the laundry room. This is not the place to go if you're searching for a glass of wine or a beer. With 27 specialty drinks to choose from, bartenders are happy to make a unique concoction just for you. The Golden Tiki. Golden Tiki is an updated version of the traditional tiki bar. Classic tiki cocktails, like Mai Tai and painkillers, may be found on the menu at this establishment. Whether you're a resident or a tourist, this speakeasy is a great place to grab a bite to eat with your fruity cocktail. The bar's waterfall and lava rock cave entrance were designed by former Hard Rock Hotel creative director Brandon Powers. Zones modeled after pirate hideouts and mermaid enclaves can be found here. Among the attractions are a 1920s themed theater, a gigantic concho door, and a 20-foot mystical waterfall. The Golden Tiki isn't only a place to drink and eat, it also hosts a variety of activities each week. Enjoy island-inspired and surf rock, as well as disco grooves. At the same time, find out about upcoming DJ nights by visiting their website or following them on Facebook. Data Mosh. Omega Mart, the Meow Wolf art piece disguised as a grocery store in Area 15, houses a little-known speakeasy called Data Mosh. It's a lively place where alcohol and art collide at the self-described pharmacy from another dimension. To enter Data Mosh, you must first purchase a ticket from Omega Mart, which is located just around the corner. Data Mosh offers 8 unique specialty drinks, including one prepared with homemade pink peppercorn champagne syrup and others flavored with herbs like tarragon, basil seed, and rosemary bubble packed with vapor. These cocktails are presented in a way that is sure to turn heads. In this speakeasy, or you might call it an exhibition, there are just 58 seats available. Comfortable black leather stools fill the space, which is furnished with a whale-themed wall and posters advertising Omega Mart products. The Underground Speakeasy and Distillery. The Underground features a distillery, speakeasy, and exclusive VIP area as part of its Prohibition-era history exhibit. Prohibition-era beverages and actual artifacts from the 1920s can be found in the Mob Museum's basement. You'll find an actual 1920s art gallery in the main room of this Las Vegas bar, as well as a space for live music. There is also a distillery on site that produces light-bodied moonshine made from corn. The meal is heavily influenced by vintage Prohibition-era culinary manuals. The old-fashioned is served in a glass flask inside a hollowed-out book, as is the Southshine Gin Mojito. Velveteen Rabbit. Velveteen Rabbit is one of Las Vegas's most renowned and well-known speakeasies. It's one of the nicest places in the downtown arts district, furnished with vintage furniture and local art. The seasonal meal of Pamela and Christina Dilag has been praised for its use of locally sourced and homegrown foods. Drinks like dill-infused gin or turmeric honey might be on the menu, as could burnt pecan syrup. Sit outside on the terrace where live music is frequently performed, or inside, where the unique ambiance plays homage to the restaurant's arts district locale. There is a good chance one of these speakeasy bars in Las Vegas may meet your demands. In Sin City, you'll find anything from hilarious to Prohibition era-like experiences, all within a few blocks of each other. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.